Welcome to E.C.D Auto Design, where we transform classic vehicles into modern masterpieces. We offer a wide list of options to make each vehicle a one-of-one, whether it be powerful engine upgrades, luxurious interior options, or general accessories. Today, we'll showcase the most sought-after accessories that take our custom builds to the next level. Whether you're looking for adventure, tailoring your ride with modern upgrades, or adding your personal touch of class. We start our accessory journey with a way to make your vehicle stand out as your own. At E.C.D, you can choose any colour imaginable and coat your car with it. If you create a custom colour, it's yours for life. We'll never replicate, creating a true one-of-one E.C.D vehicle. For the winter sport enthusiast, gear up with our custom ski racks that will carry all of your gear. While our very capable trucks will get you up the mountainside for the best downhill experiences. Ready for the beach, but tired of struggling with all the gear? Our custom beach runner comes with a 21-in-1 accessory rack that's designed to hold everything from your bikes to grills, cooler, firewood, even comes with a mountable block to handle all your food prep needs. Our accessory racks are perfect for any outdoor escapes. If you're planning to extend your adventure for a few days, E.C.D Auto Design is proud to partner with Turtleback Trailers to offer unrivaled overnight camping experience. Turtleback trailers are loaded with features while folding up for easy towing to complement your E.C.D vehicle. We haven't forgotten about your four-legged family members. Our custom dog ramp make it easy for pets to join the adventure wherever we take them. We also offer many other pet-friendly accessories to make their ride more comfortable too. Step into luxury with our power folding side step, adding both convenience and style to your SUV. Bring the outside in with panoramic glass roof options, offering breathtaking views and an open-air feel while cruising down the road in your classic Defender. Our Halo screen stereo system seamlessly blends modern technology with classic design, giving you intuitive control at your fingertips. You do not have to sacrifice any modern audio upgrade while enjoying your classic vehicle. Personal storage does not need to be an issue in our Defenders. Our extended center consoles provide extra storage in a sleek, custom look, making your interior both beautiful and functional. Stay organised on the go with our custom cargo drawer system, perfect for tools, gear, or anything you need to keep secure. Our cargo systems can be customised to fit your exact accessory needs. Add a touch of classic elegance with our wood panelling, bringing warmth and sophistication to your vehicle's interior. This is available in all custom vehicles. At E.C.D Auto Design, we're committed to creating the vehicle of your dreams. From adventure-ready exteriors to luxurious interiors, we have the accessories to make your vision a reality. Visit our website or contact us, explore how we can transform your custom vehicle with these premium accessories and more.